When it comes to protecting yourself from the elements, parasols and umbrellas are two popular options. While both serve as shield you from the sun and rain, they each have distinct features and purposes. In this video, we'll dive into the differences between parasols and umbrellas, looking at their design, functionality, and best uses. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. What's a parasol? A parasol is a light, often stylish, accessory designed primarily to protect you from the sun. Unlike umbrellas, which are intended to shield you from both rain and sun, parasols are made with materials that block UV rays, offering shade and cooling protection. Typically made from fabrics like cotton, linen, or sometimes even lace, parasols come in a variety of designs and colors, often used for fashion or leisurely outdoor activities. They're lightweight, with slender frames, and usually feature a larger canopy to offer more shade.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is an umbrella? An umbrella, on the other hand, is a versatile, practical tool built to protect you from the elements, particularly rain. While umbrellas can also offer some sun protection, they're primarily designed with a waterproof canopy, usually made of nylon or polyester, supported by a sturdy frame. They come in various sizes, ranging from compact pocket-sized versions to large, sturdy ones meant for heavy rain. Unlike parasols, umbrellas are more durable and resistant to wind, making them ideal for all-weather use. Key differences between parasols and umbrellas. Purpose and function. The primary difference between parasols and umbrellas is their intended purpose. Parasols are designed mainly for sun protection, helping to keep you cool and shielded from UV rays. Umbrellas, however, are more versatile, offering protection from both rain and sun. While parasols provide shade, umbrellas are more robust and are built to withstand various weather conditions. Materials and design. Parasols are usually crafted from lighter materials like cotton, lace, or linen, which allow air to pass through and prevent overheating. These materials are often treated to block UV rays, ensuring you stay safe from the sun's harmful effects. Umbrellas, in contrast, are made from waterproof materials like nylon or polyester, which are designed to keep you dry during rainy weather. The frame of an umbrella is typically stronger, often made of metal or fiberglass, to endure wind and rain. Size and shape. Parasols tend to have a larger, more decorative canopy to provide ample shade, often in unique or elaborate shapes. They're typically smaller in terms of height and more elegant, making them ideal for fashion and outdoor events like garden parties or weddings. Umbrellas come in various sizes, from compact, foldable ones to larger models with wider coverage. Their shape is more functional, often round or square, to provide full protection during a downpour. Parasols. Best uses. Parasols are often used in sunny weather, particularly for leisure activities such as picnics, beach trips, or outdoor weddings. Their elegant designs make them a fashionable accessory, adding a touch of class to outdoor events. They're best for blocking UV rays and offering shade in warmer climates. Umbrellas. Best uses. Umbrellas, on the other hand, are essential for unpredictable weather. Whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or need shade on a sunny day, umbrellas are reliable and practical. They're great for everyday use, particularly in cities or areas with frequent rain showers. Which one is right for you? So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for something to protect you from the sun during a sunny stroll or outdoor event, a parasol is the way to go. It offers stylish sun protection and adds a charming touch to your outfit. However, if you're after something that can withstand rain, wind, and offers sun protection, an umbrella is the more practical and versatile option. But to sum it up, parasols and umbrellas both have unique benefits depending on the situation, whether you're protecting yourself from the sun in style or braving a storm. Knowing when to use each will keep you prepared for any weather. Thanks for watching, and make sure to choose the right one for your next outing.